Come on in and let us show you our move-in ready 2-bedroom apartments at Hall Street in Moonee Ponds. The kitchen offers a modern design complete with European integrated appliances, stone benchtop and splashback with a breakfast bar. In the open plan living area, you'll find plenty of space for a dining table and a comfortable living area that connects to your private covered balcony for all weather enjoyment. The final piece of the puzzle in this versatile space is the study nook. The queen-size master bedroom offers ease of living with a built-in, fully fitted twin wardrobe, while the second, equally spacious queen-size bedroom provides further storage. Modern and stylish, the bathroom comes complete with mosaic porcelain tiles, while shelves and cupboards add to the mix of textures. Outside of the apartments, Hall Street residents have access to an enviable mix of shared spaces, including a 25-metre pool, spa, gym, and indoor and outdoor entertainment areas, all accessible without having to leave home. When you do venture outside, you'll find yourself in the heart of Moonee Ponds, just 6 kilometres from Melbourne CBD, 5 minutes from the train station, and moments from vibrant Puckle Street. To learn more about Hall Street Apartments, visit hallstreet.com.au.